1877 Floor Guy here, and we're going to show you today how to properly pack a box. For those of you that are returning products, this is how we would like for you to return the box, one, so you can properly get your refund, and so it gets to us safe. So Mike, take it away.
Here we go. The most important thing, or one of the most important things in packing a box, is ensuring that your package gets from point A to point B safely and in one piece. Unless you're mailing two pieces, then you want it to get there in two pieces. So the first thing you're going to do is, Kina, you want to do the play-by-play here?
Yep, I will do the play-by-play. So make sure that you have, if you're packing this yourself, the symbol is on the outside, and we're looking at the box certificate for Uline. It does tell us, not to get too technical, but how much burst strength that this box have for the product that you're packing. So we have a 7x7x12 for this box here, and we'll show you in a minute why this box is a little, I'm gonna say a little, it's a lot bigger than the product itself. So most of us have tape at home. As you see, Mike just did two pieces of tape one way and then another piece the other way. Again, this is to protect and strengthen the bottom of the box so it does not break open as it travels. Okay, so big box.
Before we put it into the box, we need to secure the product so during travel, if it's getting bumped around, that the lid doesn't pop off.
Now, and if you're returning it, more than likely it's not going to be used, so you just leave it as it is. If it's a situation where it's defective, then you may or may not have gripper tape, so use some kind of tape just to put on the product so that, again, it doesn't leak during travel. Okay, in the box, and we typically put it in the middle, Mike?
Yes.
Yep.
Put it in the middle, and we try to have at least 2 inches around the product, between the product and the side of the box.
Okay. So you can get these materials at either a UPS store or a box store. And what you want to do is securely put those air savers around the product so that it's a tight fit. And you're doing that from the bottom all the way up to the top. And then I'm going to have Mike show you by shaking it. Shake it a little bit. Shake the...
Wrong shake?
Yeah, wrong shake. Shake the box a little bit just so they can see. Yep, so it doesn't move. And then we put one at the top. Sometimes we'll put peanuts, but really, and of course you're not going to have peanuts at home. But we'll put more what is it, air pockets?
Air savers. Air
savers, thank you. And we take them out. Now, if you don't feel comfortable doing this, you can, again, go to a UPS store. They are more than happy to do this for you. But we have just showed you how to properly pack a box. Thank you for reminding me. You want to also put something that says this end up and fragile. So we have stickers, but you can write on it. Also, you want to put that there's liquid in the box so that UPS or the USPS system knows that there's liquid in the box and this box goes up. And the final thing you would do is put the label for it to come back to us, which we'll do that in a minute. And we just showed you how to properly pack a box. Whoop, whoop, whoop.